Ngozi. Like I'm always getting Ngozi. How many times have I warned you not to enter inside that? People die because of land. Do not let yourself die because of a piece of land. I'm warning you.
Uchechi, why are you trying to waste dust where there is none? You know the truth. Why play ignorant?
Okay, no problem. Raising dust where there's no dust. So I have far from my dust out there. But you know what? This is the last time I'm warning you. Don't you dare step into that piece of land. You know why? Raising dust. You can't about dust. I want to go you.
Na make an emono. Obosi aho. Obosi ngwo. Obosi eke. Obosi oye. Ogadela intani na mma. I'm the first son of this family. My forefathers worshipped you. My forefathers worshipped you. My father worshipped you. And I'm the first son of this family. I recognize you. I recognize the symbolic meaning and the protection you give to this family. Therefore, I have come to do the right thing. Afọ, Nkwo, Eke, Oye. Nas negbe belu go belu nke si ibe ye be na nkwa akwa na kama anya gosi ebe ọ ga-ebi. No ese na mtatola na anya ma emupe onye ha anya ya emupekwana. Anyone that thinks evil about me, that person shall go down. Any head that think evil about me, that person shall go down. It was a bad dream. Therefore, I come before you to plead that you shall continue to protect me, guide me, shield me from the hands of every evil one. Anyone that wants me dead, let that person die. Akobora nkesi na nganwu onye ahụ ga-ebuzo wee nwụ. Chekwabanu maka na njekwalụ nna m chekwa nna m. Unu ga-echekwaba m. Ụkwụ ọjọọ ama akpọ m. Ama m ife unu na-eme. Unu dị na mbụ eme, unu ka ya eme ya wee ruo taa. Eji m oji bịa n'iru unu wee were ọjị a wee na-ayọ unu amara. Ka unu na-emelụ m ya dịka unu si melụ nna m. Kwana ọjị nke unu. Ife kwuru ka a na-eme. Lekwa ọjị niile m wụrụ na ha ncha niile chara iru n'iru. This is the symbol of authority of this great deity. Anyone that wants me dead, here I crucify you this day. Afọ. Here I crucify the person. Here I crucify the person. Here I crucify the person. Oh yeah. Can't see go. Etu akọ ga-esi wele. Alone.
Mama, you look good, man.
Why would I look good? All the money you've been sending, taking care of me.
You know, you can say that again.
Your mother is strong, then.
That's my mother, man.
That is your mother,
Mama,
man.
I hope you have something inside because I'm hungry.
You're hungry.
You know?
No, you're right. As Zena, welcome when you were a kid, you're still wearing it. You just came in and you want something to eat.
I want to do.
Let us bring out things.
Oh, Mama, come on, leave this thing. I'll get it when I come back.
I hope you brought something.
Of course, Mama. Who am I working for? It's not you.
Trust us.
Mama, grab this thing. I'll get something for you now. Mama, come, I'll get it. Let's do it. Mama, you won't see anything. Mama. Mama, you look good, man. You look good,
Hi, Nna. Why didn't you come with your wife?
My wife is heavily pregnant. Yeah, and the doctor advised against embarking on a very long journey. You know, he advised so because of the unnecessary stress we may go through.
Yeah. It's a stress. Why would I even stress her for any reason? You know she will not. I will not do that. Yeah?
Mama.
I will not allow it.
It has nothing to do with you, Mama. You know, you see, from Aba to this place is a very long journey. And remembering what happened last time, you know, she lost a pregnancy. So the doctor advised us not to take any risk this time around.
You're right, my son. It's a bad room.
Yes.
I came like one neighbor, Obi.
Obi, I spoke with him yesterday. Obi said he'll be writing his last paper tomorrow. Okay? And hopefully he's going to be around by next tomorrow.
Okay, said so. I don't know when I will see her again. I really need to see her.
You will see her, of course. She's just writing an examination. She'll be back to see you. I know she's only doctor, you know. More than doctor relationship. A bond.
Mama! Your son is back. Chukudi is back in a big way. Orole no mumbe, Mama. Odogo aburo guy name. Your son is back.
Hey!
Mama, is that what you're saying like that? That is one of my toys, one of my land jets.
Hey!
Mama, Orole no mumbe.
So my son is now a car owner.
Mama,
Hey!
I said I own cars. You know, car. Cars, Mama, expensive cars. Mama, you see, some people said I will never make it, but obviously I have made it. They wrote me off, Mama. They forgot that my name is Chukudi, meaning there is God.
Oh yes, there is God. Oh,
Mama, in fact, hold on, I am coming. I want to shock you.
Yeah.
I am coming. Let me shame the devil. I am about to shock you, Mama. Let me shock you to live long, not to fall down. Mama, let me bless you. Mama's.
Hey!
This is
hey! Aburama nwa onyeke nyema aburama nwa onyeke aburama nwa onyeke aburama nwa onyeke
Mama DJ, go hold money. This is money. This is not audio money. This is reality.
Aburama nwa onyeke nyema aburama nwa onyeke nyema aburama nwa onyeke nyema hey chukwu na ilukwa kisi ala
Mama
dalu onna hey
henceforth my name is Nwa Chinebere Eze
China is not getting good yours.
Nwachi na-emere eze na nyocha.
Nwachi na-emere eze na nyocha. Odogwu kebo. Odogwu kebo. Na orika kwa ozugozienu. Hey.
Odogwu aburo ga ile. In fact, Mama, take all the bags. Odogwu aburo ga ile, Mama, hold this bag.
Hey.
As a matter of fact.
Hey.
Mama, call your other son now. Come and witness real wealth, real success. Mama, I have made money.
Don't do this to your mother, eh? He's your only brother. Mebele, just look at me. It is me, ma'am. Oh, you didn't hear. Don't do this to me. He's your elder brother because Uchechi, can I be no? Put it up. Come out, Uchechi. I think you put that. Come out.
I'm not going to defend them.
So, Uchechi, it has resulted to you stealing from my farmland. Okay?
Which farmland? Listen, I would have killed you. But I decided to spare your life for a reason. Your duty is to farm on that land while I harvest whatever you farm. And that is the sole reason I let you leave. Next time, all you are busy.
Uchechi. Uchechi! Uchechi! Stay away from that land. If you don't, heads will roll, Uchechi.
Hey!
It's one of my brother.
Because your head get roll. Ngozi, I spared you. Ki well wallow. Manafugom nange bupi isi na ga isi ya na give me sim. See ya shut up. Okwan boy will ile na gweze yo no. So see ya na gyo no anu ofia. Ina ebu mma. Ike men if ye jim men. Kampisi se geba. Ocho. Nani anu. Eche ka mo ni abo. Anu mpama. Ifugo no. Ina anu kwanum. Onyala. Ngozi bonyala. Ibonyala Ngozi ka. Agwu na akpa ibu mma bia ebe a. Ike akwulu ka ngwalu ukwu Bruce Lee ma we pieces ye. Iwe mma na na nwanyi bụ mgbada. Anofia.
Hey. What is the trouble I'm facing from that woman?
So why is she acting ignorance of something that is so clear?
How did Papa get involved with this land issue?
You're all welcome. Welcome
you.
to our home.
Thank you.
Thank you, my husband.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to your father's land.
Thank you.
Hausa man. This is my brother, Friday. And that is a beautiful wife.
You both are welcome to your father's land.
Thank you.
I pray it favors you.
He said...
You never told me you had a contest.
You've started again. You've started. Huh? Just look at. Am I not answer?
Of course.
How do you expect me to marry less? Huh? I should go for something that will compliment me. Please, lest I forget.
Go there and feast something special for my brother and his wife.
I was on it before you people came in.
Okay. Are you serious?
Yes.
This is why I love you. Please, rush.
And what about the little boy you came with?
That's my son Obiora.
Oh, wow, he's so
Obiora.
handsome.
I didn't tell you something. Obiora, he can play.
Like father, like son. I know you now. I know you. When you was very... Let me not open secrets. I know you now. Look at you.
Okay, let me get your food ready.
Please do. Please do. You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Thank you.
Please, feel at home. You are no longer there again. You are now in your father's land. And after the meal, we'll sit there and talk more.
Okay.
Okay.
There's no problem.
Just relax. My wife.
Thank you, my husband. Thank you.
All right then.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Such a nice man.
Very, very nice.
Your brother, I like him.
You like him. You like him more than me.
Nne, you told me you have 4 children, but I can see one only, and it's still very small. Where are others?
My husband. My sister won't allow me to stay with them. They are all with her.
So, how do you cope with housework?
That is what it means to have a good husband. My husband here has been so supportive. In fact, he's the best husband in the world.
Now you people want to make me to be jealous. Eh? If you're my brother, you have a blessed home.
I know I have a blessed home. Are we not blessed?
Yeah.
My brother, you are welcome.
Yes. That brings me to the reason I asked you to come back home. This is your land. This is your father's land. You've stayed too long in Hausa land. And the kinsmen are taking the advantage of that to take what belongs to you. It's not good, my brother. You're my cousin. And you know I love you so much. We can't fold our hands and watch them take what belongs to us. That is the reason.
My brother, how do we go about this? I don't even understand anything anymore. What do I do?
I will help you. Yes. You don't expect me to leave you halfway? I didn't bring you here for you to mope around. I will help you to recover your distance. Okay? I will help you to recover your rights. Your lands.
Really?
Yes. But first, we have to put your late father's house in order. So that you have where to put your head and your family.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. You are no, you don't have to do that. You don't have to please sit.
We owe you our lives.
No!
Yes, we do. Yes, my brother.
Just leave it to God.
We do owe you our lives. How can I even repay you for all the things you have been doing for us? Hey! Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Eh? You see, in my next word, you will continue to be my brother.
Serious? And in my next word, you will continue to be my cousin.
What are we now saying?
Hey! Please feel at home. Relax. Huh? Everything that they took will get them back. I will help you. Huh? I will help you. But you stay too long in this Anwuzama. Look at you. You have even grown this thing like this.
Ife, my brother, I came with my wife here to say thank you to you for everything that you have done for us. Like I said earlier, I wouldn't know how to do that. That is why I came, just to say thank you. And in so doing, I would like to hand over the land at Achicha, close to the stream, to you, just to say thank you one more time for everything that you have done.
That land belongs to you. Eh? It is your property. Please. That wasn't the intention at all. I cannot accept that. I cannot.
Okay, the offer is coming from our heart to say thank you for everything that you have done. Please don't say no.
Please, my husband, please don't say no. If you say no, it will break our hearts. Please, don't say no.
Friday, this is a new farming season. I will suggest you sell that piece of land. Use the proceeds to get yams singly. So you can get more yams in your barn.
If I must sell the land, then it has to be to you in appreciation for what you did for us. And I will do that at a discounted rate.
If you need money, I will give you money to acquire more seed.
There you go again. Have you forgotten that I'm a man like you?
Listen, I can't get that land from you. I can't buy that land from you. I will give you more money.
Is it every time that you give me money and give me money? No.
So you acquire more seedly, you expand your farm, and be comfortable with your family. That is what I will do.
I need it. Remember, I'm a man like you. Please don't say no. My wife, please help me and beg him.
Ewo, hey,
Please.
my husband, please don't say no. See, we want to give you from our heart. In fact, like I said, at a discounted rate. Please don't say no.
Please.
It's all right. I can't say no. I will go inside to bring the money.
Okay,
That's my brother.
my husband, our wife. All we want is togetherness and unity. that alone breaks a lot of evil and everything around us.
Simple.
So it's okay. We'll accept the land.
If I have option, I would have taken the two of you.
It was so that he can get all of you that are male children. This land in question was handed over to Obinna.
Why then is she paying evil for good? Then again, I remember Papa warning me we should stay away from that evil woman. That she even did something to Uncle James. She turned Uncle James to a weakling so she can control him. Well, the good thing there is Papa showed me the said land documents before he died.
And where are the documents?
Brother, they are safe. I will bring the documents out when the need arises.
This one is for you and your brother. What exactly is going on between you two? Eh? Tell me.
Mama will have more pressing issues to attend to. This is not a topic to talk about, okay? See you later.
Right. Beatrix, won't you say something?
Mama, I have a call.
It's a call.
Hello, Chief. Yeah, Chief. How are you?
Have you seen them? Hey, they will not kill me before my time. They will not.
Mama, it's okay. They will settle for you. You still need to talk to them.
Is that not what I'm trying to do? Eh?
Obiora, Mom. When we came back from camp, night we reached, he had a lot of landed property that were handed over to him by his father. That's before his father died. If you go, Papa and I, had nothing. Then your father decided to help him. Sold some lands and gave him money. And then now gave him that piece of land to farm on, because everybody is very, very strategic on the premise that when you grow up, he will give you everything. He will hand over that land to you. When you grow up, or say again, land. That man is wicked.
Mama, is it that there is no elder that is aware of this or what?
Hey! Come back, the elder. They are getting around. Listen, all it takes is for Chukwudi to bribe them, and they will start singing his song. If you can, Chukwudi kai yes,
So, Mama, after knowing the truth, they are still plain ignorant about this whole thing. Well, let me get to the meeting tomorrow. I will tell them the piece of my mind.
Because give it to them. Give them a piece of your mind.
Mama, I'm coming.
Give it to them. Stupid people. Stupid people. Stupid agadis. Neka fana edewe sisi ko no Obama. Onwen ke hama. I just ebe fa geli. Ebe fa geli ya be chanye fa. Ogbenye onu to stupid people. Stupid.
Nah. Wanenka. Osokosa.
Osoka.
Hey, take a move.
Obinna.
Where is your brother?
Obinna, I want you to hand over that land to me. Let me take up the case from there. Because I will not have that idiot insult me. He has the guts to talk when real men are talking.
What did the elder say?
That idiot did not allow them to speak their mind. His mother lied to him that father went to his own father for help and not the other way around.
Hi, Uchechi. Why didn't you tell this innocent boy the truth? Eh? He's fighting a cause that is so ignorant of. Hi!
Like I said, Obinna, I want you to hand over that land to me. I will not have that idiot insult my household. Do you understand?
What land are you talking about? Okay. What land?
No. He wants Obina. No, he wants Obina to hand him over the line so that he can fight the fight legally.
And so he cannot fight the fight legally without Obina handing over the land to him. Is that?
But brother, what actually happened there that made him come back this angry?
Obiora won't let go.
Hey, what is all this? Giddy for?
Mama, I need to go and prepare.
Prepare to where?
I'm going back to school this evening. I have something to do in school.
This period? Don't you see what is going on?
But I still need to go back to school now.
Are you leaving your gun? In Aziata?
I'm okay.
Hi. You don't want the fenka because. Kedu sobu bialo mi fenka no? Akoko nunka again. So, that is it, my dear.
Mama, what is in this thing that the elders cannot handle?
But the elders said they will be meeting tomorrow. And this thing is already making Anayo very depressed.
Papa warned us against those people. Maybe you should tell brother them to handle.
Now, has any of your brother, Chooks or Anayo, told you what is eating them up?
Mama, I don't know. The thing is, none of them is saying anything. When I go to Brother Anayo to ask what the problem is, he will refer me to Brother Chooks. When I get to Brother Chooks will refer me back to Brother Anayo. Me, I don't know. Me, I'm really tired though. I'm tired. And I don't like what is going on between the two of them.
Your father and I did not raise you people to hate each other. What is really going on? Where did they get this character from?
Mama, me, I don't hate anybody.
I know. It's not you I'm talking about. I know you did not hate anybody. I'm talking of your elder brothers. What is all this?
You don't worry, they will fetch.
When? Is it when I die?
No,
Hi! Nina, how did he go with the elders this time?
Obiora said there's no way his mother could be lying to him. He went further to say that the land is his. However, the elder said we should bring an evidence that the land actually belongs to us.
But that's still a proof that our father actually bought the land from them.
My point is, what exact is the problem between you and your brother? Before.
Mama, why not ask your stupid son that claimed to be a multi-billionaire? What is it? What am I asking?
I think you should talk to my face and not behind me.
Who are you? Do you think I am scared of you? Do you think you can do anything even when I talk to your face? One-on-one.
You're talking about being scared, but you look threatened already.
Threatened
by my presence.
You're a small boy.
You're scared.
I will destroy you.
Kill you.
Scared of who? I can't be scared of small boy like you.
Hey!
Don't touch her. Don't touch her.
You leave her alone.
Don't touch her. Don't touch her. Why did you push her?
What did you do?
I forgot how. Mama. Be careful. Mama.
We have less than 12 hours for the meeting with the elders. Where are you going?
I'm not a kid, bro. I have important things to attend to. Besides, you are not my personal assistant to know where I go to.
This little boy will never take this.
Okay. Okay, great one.
The evidence we tendered was so clear that even Solomon and Okolo that were supporting them kept quiet. They're only waiting for documents from the local government so they can hand over the land to us.
Well, I know the God we serve is not asleep. The truth will always prevail against lies and deceit.
Sure. Where's Sada?
Oh, she has gone back to school.
Alright, Mama, I'll be going back to Aba tomorrow.
Where is your brother? Biachukode, where are you? What? How can you live without telling me? Oh, you have extended this beef you have between you and your brother to me. Eh? Biachukode, when will you realize that Anna Ayo came into this world before you? Eh? What is your problem? You people want to kill me before my time. Eh? When will you ever be reasonable? Hey, I'm warning you. Hey, it's a bad room.
Hey, my God.
I'm fine. Wait, you were supposed to have returned yesterday.
Oh, I am so sorry, my darling. Listen, I had an emergency call, so I had to rush down to Abuja to meet up with one of my important business associates in the person of Madam Danjuma. I had to give him all the attention. You know, that man always comes with big projects. Huh? So I'm sorry. Meanwhile, thank you so much. Guess what?
Babe, you know I'm not good with that.
I know you're not good with that, but just guess.
No, spill the beans already.
Okay, well, Custom has released the goose.
Oh my God, babe! Congratulations! I am so proud of you.
I know you do. So, how was my angel?
I've missed you, babe.
I know, my darling. And I know what the problem is. So tell me, where and how do you want it?
Anyhow you want it, baby. But you have to catch me first.
So one name. I will continue to say what I have always tell you. It is only God, God Almighty, that can make a man prosper. I cannot make you be successful in life. And when it comes to business, business has to do with diligence, punctuality, and you put in every seriousness into it. I don't like it when people think their fellow human being has any power somewhere, or magic, or something he's using to make his business to go well. No. All these things it has to do with grace of God. But let me ask you, which church do you attend?
Have you seen me attend any other church, not Catholic church? I'm a Roman Catholic.
Oh.
And I cannot go to another church.
You want a Catholic?
Yes.
Ave
Maria.
I didn't know.
I go to blockers and I do everything.
Oh, okay. See, let me advise you. The secret to my success is going to the blessed sacraments.
Huh?
Yes.
Go there and pray often. Pray and keep praying. God will answer your prayers. That is the secret to my success. But most people don't know. They always think their fellow human being can make them prosper. See, you can walk under the sun, under the rain, morning, night, afternoon, and shishe will not still be in your pocket. Everything we do in this life is by God's grace. Yes. So continue going to the blessed sacrament. Keep praying. God will see you through one day. Amen. Amen. Akwima Ekene. Ekene came here some time ago. He asked me to give him some goods on credit. I told him, you know how bad the economy is. I cannot. The same thing I told you. He thought I was doing him bad thing at first. But later, he summoned courage. He came and asked me to give him some goods and he paid me. So I gave him good discounts. The same thing I did for you. So you shouldn't look as if I'm being wicked to you or I don't want to help you. But no.
Choose. You have done well. I appreciate your advice and I promise you that I'm going to stick to it. I'll give it a try. At least 3 times in a week, I'll go to chapel and pray in front of the Blessed Sacrament as you instructed and as you advised. But I'm still asking you, just have a rethink on the request. Just rethink if you can find a way. Come marry because, but your advice, I'll carry it out. Oh? Thank you. Thank you very much. What is that? My regards to your family. We're here. What's that?
I'm done packing the goods she had to take to your sister.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I hope you counted it very well.
Complete, everything complete, sir.
Okay. Ask the driver to bring the shuttle bus.
Okay.
So you can load everything.
Money plenty isi n'enu ego ya daa ịgbaji ụkwụ n'aka onye ego abatago na banya the land of electronics nwa mama mo chukwu dị lele onye ego chukwu dị lele abatago na banya nwa ka nwa abatago ọ bụkwa $1,000 onye ego Fonya na suna biago abatago na banya chukwu de abatago obuwa $1,000 onyego.
You're looking good, one.
I tell you, my woman, I can't kill myself now, but it's your handwork. It's your handwork now.
We thank God.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But truth be told, you are the least person I expected to see by this time of the day. I hope all is well.
I don't know what. There is peace. I wonder what I was saying. I said I should come and inform you that my wedding is fast approaching.
You finally found a woman.
Oh my God.
A wife. Hey! Congratulations, my brother. This is more than a good news.
I say I should join your own league now. What the game, man? Long you started. So I should join your league.
Wow, you are welcome. In fact, you're highly welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
This is a good news.
Yes. That's why I said I should come with this wine. I want to make you the chairman of the occasion. Because you have the biggest shop in this town. And at least if you grace my occasion, people will know that I have someone like you. An Odogu in the house.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. This is great. This is good news.
Oh.
Yes.
It's a respect to you.
Indeed, you're a man.
You're a man.
Wow. Yes. Well, I want to say another big congratulations to you.
Thank you very much.
And the money you use in buying this wine, it will not be in vain.
Amen.
Yes. I am going to grace your invitation.
Thank you very much.
I will make sure on that very day. It will be a day you yourself will not forget.
I'm not gonna. I know it will be like that. So I'm not surprised. That's why I say I'll come with my leg to let you know what is happening.
We will come there and we'll make the wedding colorful.
Hey!
Bloggers will carry it.
Bamba, bring it. Let me package it. I package it well for you. Yes. I just say package it very well for you. Yes. Wow. Thank you very much for accepting my invitation. I did it.
Not mention.
All right. Yes, let me run along. Thank you very much. I'll be expecting to see you. No, you're on that day.
I said all the vlogs will carry it.
Thank you very much. But I'll be on my way. Okay. All right. Looking forward to seeing you on that day. My regards to your family. No problem. They will hear the good news as well.
Madam, Mama, that is it. Mama, what is really in this matter that the elders cannot handle? They say they will be meeting tomorrow. This thing is making Anayo very depressed. If I will go make it, I don't know what to do again. Mama, you remember when Papa warned us against these people? They should hands up. How Punifan? Obasalofa. They should just hands up. They should leave us alone. Adam, can you connect? Did Anayo or Chukudi tell you what is eating them up? Mama, as for those two, I'm tired of their problem. I'm tired. Whenever I go to Anayo and ask him, what is the problem between you and Chukudi? He will refer me to Chukudi. When I go to Chukudi, he will refer me back to Anayo. Mama, I'm tired. I'm tired. Whenever they are tired of fighting, they will settle. Your late father and I didn't raise you people to hate each other. Eh? Ka ife ga-akpọsikwa n'ife nke a biko nụ. Eh? Ebe ka nwa nke a sikwanụ? Ozugbo. M ga-abịa ka nnawa be di m. Let me start going. Ada m enwago onne. Daalụsọ. Okay. Wajisike o. Wajisike o. And how is my grandson?
He's doing very okay.
Right, send me word to him. Oh?
Okay.
One calling. Oh.
Oh.
I understand your point, my brother. I've heard what you said. After listening to what you said, I have made up my mind to link you up with someone that will help your business bounce back. You know, there's a saying that says, Ogo Buchionye, and you really demonstrated that in the past. You did for me what my own blood brother couldn't do. So, I will make sure everything comes back to normal. Even better than before.
I don't know what to say. Thank you so much, Ruth. Sincerely and deeply grateful that you're concerned about our welfare and business. And I'm here to tell you that I'm ready to do anything within my power as a woman to ensure that I progress and that I get out of this poverty, or what would I call it. I'm fed up. You already know my situation. So whatever it takes, humanly possible, I will.
Whatever it is, you're ready to do it. Yes. Even if it means to.
No, just not. You know what I mean.
I was only teasing you, my brother. You see, like they said, if you want people to respect you as a man, you need to show them what you do for a living, how you make your money. Do you understand? And I have made up my mind also to introduce you to my clique of friends. These are rich dignitaries, personnels. Yes, Hana Boha Organ. They call the shots.
Thank you so much. I'm really delighted. As I'm aware, nothing goes for nothing. So I hope, whatever it costs is something that I can afford.
I like those lines. Nothing goes for nothing. Just like it is written. Give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Give to God what belongs to God. But in this case, you don't have problem. I got you, bro.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. It's okay, as long as it falls in the circumference of legitimacy and good. Anything at all, anything.
That's okay. Don't you want to drink red wine, white wine, beer, anything?
Just not time for wine. I'm okay.
What about food?
This one is enough food for me. I'm good. Trust me. No, I'm good. For the day, as a matter of fact.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. You really made my.
Mama. Father, they are gone. What's going on here? Why the sudden change of attitude?
Those ones. But I told you I would handle them. Not to worry, they'll be going with you for the meeting tomorrow. And they will give you all the support that you need. And the meeting is by 12 noon at Japana late.
So, why were they making my life miserable? Why have they been frustrating me?
Not to worry, your mother knows how to handle them. Those useless men. Please, let's not talk about them. What would you like to eat?
Mom, I'm hungry. What did you prepare?